Hello guys, welcome to a new video. So in this video I've got a new lens coat. So here you can see the RF 600mm F11 IS STM lens. We're going to install a new lens coat from lenscamo.co.uk. I've got an installation bit of paper there telling us how to more or less put it on. And what we want to do is do an installation video. So if any of you guys are interested, I will put links in the description box to their eBay shop as well as their website. It's www.lenscamo.co.uk. I've done one video for the RF 800, but I wanted to reach out to them to try and get a new lens coat for this 600mm lens. Now I originally wasn't going to keep this lens because I felt that my 150 to 600 Sigma lens was sufficed, but looking at the sharpness of this lens, it seems pretty good. So I've decided to keep this lens. So in order for me to keep it, I have to get a lens coat to protect it, because it is largely a plastic lens. So we need to put some lens camo on there, as well as I've got some accessories for this lens. I'll do a separate video to show you the accessories. I think it's important to show you that. But without further ado, let's do the installation of the camo cover that we've got, and let's just get on with it. Okay, here we have the kit laid out. This is the kit for the 600 RF lens from lenscamo.co.uk. Let's just try and put this on, and then we'll see if it fits nicely. Let's just start with this. So that's on the lens. Just wanted to show you that closer up. As you can see, it covers the lens nicely and gives it the full European camouflage covering. So let's just put the extra piece we got hold of, which will go on the lens hood, like so. As you can see, we've got it on the lens hood now. Incidentally, it's the same size as the 100 to 400 lens hood, so I asked them if they could send me one for the 100 to 400s, and we just attached this on the lens. There you go, fully camoed. That's the full look. Just wanted to show you how to install it. Looks nice, doesn't it? So again, as always guys, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, really appreciate it. It helps the algorithm for people to find videos like this. Here's the RF 800, fully camoed up as well. So that gives you an idea on the difference of the lens. The only thing I'm going to do is modify this slightly with another tripod foot, like I've got on the 800 there, as you can see. If you're interested, this is the THRF 680 iShoot tripod mount you can put on. I'll put links in the description box if that interests you. But yeah, it's not bad for, I think it costs around £30, and it fits nicely on there. Anyway, I just wanted to say thank you for coming to see this video. Hope this helped you out on the installation of the RF 600, and thank you for watching.